Welcome to Newspaper Highlight Series of Ajmal IS Academy. Here, we will see some important newspaper article and how to study them from mains and prelims perspective. So let's start the session. Our first article is about solar irrigation overdrawing groundwater. This article is taken from the Hindu. From prelims perspective, focus on the factual detail about solar irrigation and micro irrigation, Kusum and grid connected solar pump, Surya Shakti Kisan Yojana, fee for service centralized solar model, groundwater depletion. From mains perspective, this article is important for GS paper 3, agriculture, environment and energy, and it can be linked to the topic of solar irrigation as a tool for clean energy transition and agriculture productivity, relationship between solar powered irrigation, groundwater over exploitation, challenges of groundwater governance under PM Kusum, role of grid connected solar, feeder solarization and micro irrigation water saving incentives, balancing energy security, food security and groundwater sustainability. The core idea of this article is solar irrigation need not worsen groundwater depletion. Its impact depend on the irrigation model, regional hydrogeology and incentives, making context-specific development and water-saving measure essential for sustainable agriculture. Our next article is about how India plans to count caste this time. This article is taken from the Indian Express. From Pillai's perspective, focus on the factual detail about census of India, 1931 census, 1941 census, 1951 census, and socio-economic and caste census of 2011. For mains perspective, this article is important for GS paper 1 Indian society and GS paper 2 governance, and it can be linked to the topics of challenges of conducting an accurate caste census, problem associated with open-ended enumeration, historical experience of caste enumeration, importance of reliable caste data for targeted welfare and affirmative action, need for standardized methodology and scientifically designed questionnaires. The core idea of this article is an open-ended caste census can capture India's complex social identity but risk producing fragmented and unreliable data, making standardized classification and a scientifically designed enumeration methodology crucial. Our final article is about why India needs a clear Arctic narrative. This article is taken from the Indian Express. From Pillai's perspective, focus on the factual detail about India's Arctic Policy 2022, Arctic Council, Slavard Treaty of 1920, Himadri, India's permanent Arctic research station. For mains perspective, this article is important for GS paper 1 geography, GS paper 2 international relation, and GS paper 3 environment, and it can be linked to the topics of growing strategic importance of Arctic for India, link between Arctic climate change and Indian monsoon, agriculture and food security, Arctic as an emerging arena of geopolitical competition and resource security, strengthening India's engagement with the Arctic states and the Arctic Council, balancing scientific diplomacy, climate security, and strategic interest. The core idea of this article is India's Arctic engagement must move beyond scientific research towards a comprehensive climate security and geopolitical strategy supported by stronger institution, dedicated polar leadership, research infrastructure, and adequate funding. That's all for today, and for a detailed analysis of newspaper article, visit the Ajmal IS Academy website. Thank you.